penetrating right into your soul. Okay, it's now curled. You guys see it? We're just going out to the Americana, but before that we are going to pick up a little cake. I'll explain what the cake is for later. We'll also get some drinks from the same cafe we're gonna pick up the cake from. Right now it's 2:30. We might be going around like 3:30. I have a lot of things to do in this room. I have to clean up a little bit and I have to charge this camera. See you guys in the car when we're going to pick up the cake. Okay, bye. Oh my god, my face is so oily. Hi guys, we're on our way to Haro Cake in Koreatown. I'm supposed to pick it up at 4, but it's 4:07. But it should be okay. And yeah, we'll see you guys at the cafe. We're gonna light it up on Monday, maybe, or I don't know. We'll see. The susu latte. Obviously, it's done. I'm not exactly a coffee lover, but it's really good. So I'll rate it like 9 out of 10 for the susu latte, and then the angel me. I like cakes that are what do you call that? That are not sweet. So that's like 100 out of 10 for me. I love it. Yeah, everything is so cute. So yeah, if you guys are here in LA, you guys can visit Haro Cake. So good. we are at the Americana. Right now it's 6:52, so there's like 8 minutes and there will be like fake snow around here, and there's a lot of people in here. It's so fun. It just feels like Christmas. So yeah, I mean, look how packed it is. Oh my gosh, there's so many people in here. My mom is doing live on Facebook. Hello. Hi.
Update my
It's so pretty. Look at that. I want it. Okay.
What the dog doing?
What? I can put it in my bag like this? Yeah. Oh, I want it. What? Natapagtan naman ko sa akala ko. So, tama. Ay, sorry ka. Literally like bubbles. See the keychain I bought from the store earlier. My camera died, so we're using my phone right now. We're finally gonna unbox these two. So, which one should we open? Video? Oh no, you just blocked the whole thing. Okay, there you go. Oh, she's right here. By the way, her name is Chai. Just gonna sit here, baby. No, I think she's just gonna. Chai, good. There you go. Just sit there. We're gonna unbox, okay? So, as I was saying, Chai will unbox with us. She's sitting right there. So cute. I already have the toffee one and the soy milk one. All the other ones I gave it away to my family. So lychee berry, green grape, sea salt, coconut, and sesame bean would be good. So that's 4 out of 2. Hopefully we don't get a dupe that we already have. But I'm really hoping for the lychee berry and the green grape. First pop, Chai. Snip, snip. Snip, snip. For good luck. Okay, let's go do it. I'm gonna open it on the top. Oh. 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's the pink one. Chai, what do you think of her? Do you like the lychee berry? It smells like plastic. So I'll compare it with the old one. This one is the toffee one that I bought, or purchased when it first came out. They had the fabric tag compared to the new one, which is paper tag right there. So obviously the fabric tag is better quality, and this one has smaller, cuter ears, but the lychee bear is big. Hopefully this is a secret, but if not, let's hope for green grape or sea salt coconut. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no way, they gave me double pink. What are the odds? The pink one is the one that I really want to get today, you know? Oh, Chai, see them again. You see them right there. Oh my god, you are beautiful. Oh my god, she's so cute, guys. Staring right into your soul. Chai, are you gonna be a blogger now? Anyways, let's stop it for now. That's our unboxing of the exciting macaron LABUBU. So hopefully we can get the other colors. I don't know if we're ever gonna have a chance for a secret. It's really hard. So that's all.